Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also quickly duplicate a layer to create another copy of the content in the same image or within a different image file. Be aware that if you duplicate the layer in an image file that has a different pixel resolution, the layer's content may appear a different size than you intended. To create a duplicate layer, click and drag the layer within the Layers panel and drop it on top of the Create a New Layer button in the Layers panel. Another way to perform this same function is to select a layer and then select Layer, Duplicate Layer from the menu bar to open the Duplicate Layer dialog box. Type a name for the duplicate layer into the As text box and then use the Document drop-down to select into which of the opened image files you want to copy the duplicate layer. Then click the OK button to duplicate the selected layer in the Layers panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.